HSBC Black Credit Card Review, Honest User Experience, and Unbiased Insights. HSBC Black Credit Card is marketed as a premium card for high net worth clients, but is it really worth it? I tested it personally, and here's what I found. The application process is thorough, requiring proof of income and financial background. Once approved, the card provides a range of premium perks including airport lounge access, travel insurance, concierge services, and exclusive partner discounts. I was impressed by how comprehensive these benefits are for frequent travelers. The rewards program is competitive, offering points on everyday spending, dining, and luxury purchases. Points can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and lifestyle experiences. During my usage, points accumulated quickly, especially on international transactions. The surprising truth is that many people overestimate the value of points without factoring in annual fees. This Black carries a higher fee, but if you leverage travel perks and rewards strategically, the benefits often outweigh the costs. Customer service is premium level. I contacted the concierge for travel arrangements and received personalized, fast assistance. The mobile app tracks spending, points, and benefits efficiently. One limitation is the minimum income requirement and high annual fee, making it suitable only for affluent clients or frequent travelers who can maximize perks. Most casual users would not benefit fully from this card. Overall, the HSBC Black credit card delivers luxurious perks, strong rewards, and excellent service. For the right user, it's a valuable card, but it's important to assess whether the benefits align with your lifestyle. Subscribe for more unbiased credit card reviews and financial insights to help you make the right choice for your needs.